Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be installing this pre-cut wig that I got from Hermosa hair. This is supposed to be like a snap and go wig. This wig already comes pre-cut. It's not, you don't really have to do much to it, so this installation should be relatively quick. I am not going to be using any glue or any hairspray for that matter. The point of this wig is a quick wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wig, and as you guys can see, all I did was tint my lace, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pluck the part, and I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this wig to my head. Now this wig does have an elastic band in the back. It is very adjustable, so it's gonna be super snug. As you guys can see, I haven't put any hairspray or any glue to secure this wig. This wig comes secured, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use hot comb to lay down my hair. I'm using wax to lay down the hair so it can lay in place, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start curling this wig. Literally, it's that simple, it's that fast. I think this is my first time getting a pre-cut wig, and I like it because sometimes I don't want to do a full-on installation. Those could be very tedious, especially if you don't know how to do hair. Honestly, get you a pre-cut wig. So we're just gonna go ahead and style this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the part, and I'm just gonna use a curling wand to curl this hair. This hair is super soft. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with the Tresemme Super Hold Spray just to lay down any flyaways, and my hair is pretty much done. I didn't really do anything except for curl it. I've done this color before, and it's cute. It's not my favorite, but it's cute. So if you're into color, this will definitely be a wig for you. They do have other type of pre-cut wigs on their website, so you could check out any other color in case you're not really that much interested in this color. But you guys can see I just lifted it up because it's literally just snugged in place. I don't have to do much to this unit except for apply it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Check out Hermosa. I'm gonna link this wig and the pre-cut wigs in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.